Hello and welcome to another AKB Retro Games review, and this time we'll be looking at the roads of Plexar running on the new ZX Spectrum 128K Plus 2. You have been selected to make the arduous journey along the crystal roads of Plexar. Many travel the roads, but few return, and those who do will never speak of what they have encountered on their way. Once the game is loaded, you'll notice on the title screen that the game is programmed by Paul Hargreaves of Terminus and Tantalus fame. He also did Glass, which was rather good 3D shooter, and Terminus, which was a personal favourite, was a kind of budget version of Tantalus, I believe. But this game features a similar look, but is quite different in style. I know what you're thinking, that looks quite good, but that's Terminus. So let's have a look at Plexar. Featuring various 3D levels where you travel into the screen with very smooth pixel perfect scrolling. This game, I think, takes on a bit more of an interesting puzzle-like edge where you have to find your way through these maze-like levels with your bouncing head spaceball thing. I remember playing this back in the day and thinking it was very good value for money, in fact, because what was it, $2.99? It was Mastertronic. That's right, it was mad. Mastertronic added dimension. Although the game was released in 1987, it's only now I wonder if the main sprite was based on Sir Clive himself. Graphics were pretty good on this one, monochrome obviously. It did bring in quite a bit of colour on some of the later levels, and it's quite easy to select different levels on the starting screen and have a little peek at further challenges ahead. 8. Sound, not much to it really. I think you could only really give it 5. 5. Yeah. Imaginability, well, I think he has pushed the boat out here, and I'm going to give it an 8. Playability, a bit lacking, and if someone can recommend a really playable Paul Hargreaves game, I'd be interested to hear from you. 7. Overall, 8 o'clock. 8 out of 10. No, that's the time the supermarket closes. It's a 7. In the next show, we'll be looking at Jet Set Willy 2. 7.